Hi guys, welcome back to my video. On this occasion, I will share the free Sideload method to install IPA files with new design. This video include a new certificate and DNS bypass revoke, so you can sign any IPA files without getting revoke anymore. First step, download the DNS bypass revoke for a sign up. Download it and install to your iPhone or iPad. I will insert the DNS link on description. Go to settings, then go to downloaded profiles. Click install after finding the DNS. Input your passcode if needed to install the DNS. After installed, go to About section. Scroll down and select Certificate Trust Settings. Then enable Nextroot DNSCA. Now, the DNS bypass revoke for resign is ready to use. Then, open nutgg.com website. You can check the website link on description. On this website, you will find lots of assigns with various certificates available, so you can choose many options to install assign. Then, click the button in the middle and click Install. If you see the untrusted developer notification, it means eSign is working. If not, then you have to try assign with another link to install it. If the first link doesn't work, you can try another link because there are lots of options on this website for installing assign. After that, don't forget to verify assign by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then trust the Assign app. If you are using iOS 18, you have to restart your device first before trust the Assign app. Please wait. Your device will restart automatically. Wait until the device turning on. Next, you have one more step, namely importing the certificate into Assign. Go back to the website, then download the certificate which says Download File button. Then open Assign app. Click 3 dots on the top. Then select Import. Find the certificate that you downloaded earlier. After that, unzip the certificate. Click the password note to see the password for the certificate. Copy the passcode, then select P12 file, and click Import Certificate. Now you are ready to use eSign and install IPA files what you want with eSign. You can also add the IPA library to the assign source if you don't want to search for the IPA manually. You can visit this website to get the assign source, IPA library, or you can check the link in the description. I will provide several IPA sources for eSign. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comment below so I will help you to install eSign on your device without getting revoked. See you on the next video.